I love little pocket lights, little lights that you and I can buy for fairly good prices nowadays, because every 6 months or so, lights like these just keep dropping in prices. And this one, we've done Falcon Eyes lights before, and I actually think we did a Falcon Eyes F7, but this is the Falcon Eyes F7 Mini. It looks like 5-watt RGB LED on-camera light, 2500K through 9000K. It's got a CRI of 96, HSI mode, supports magnetic attraction, smartphone app control for vlog, YouTube, TikTok, all that good stuff. Now, right now it's 39 bucks, so I'm always $39 for any kind of light, really, especially if it has like a CRI of 96 and can do all kinds of RGB lights and has a color temperature that you can set. I think that's pretty amazing, and a smartphone app is pretty good. So it's getting right now, it looks like 3.5 stars, 54 ratings. So I'm trying to figure out why someone is not liking a light at this price point. So we're going to take a look at what this light gives us. We'll take a look at what comes in the box, and of course we'll turn it on and see what we think. Okay, so first, here it is, Falcon Eyes F7 Mini, supports Android and iOS apps. It's the Sol light, cool. Again, 2500 Kelvin through 99,000, CRI of 96, pocket size, 20 different scenes, is a small mini RGB fill light with magnetic absorbing function. I don't know what that means. Comes with strong magnetic, maybe strong magnets. Can be absorbed on the surface of the metal. We need, on Amazon and stuff, we need better English translations, I think. With OLED display, Type-C standard USB charging interface, and supports quick charge 3.0 fast charging. All right, again, for $39, I think it would be pretty good. Now, these guys, let's look at the ratings here just to see. Somebody loved it. Somebody wanted to love this light. We're setting up a studio for live streaming and needed to get rid of some shadows and already had different lights. These were going to be supplement. Unfortunately, even at 100%, these lights are not bright enough. Well, they're mini LEDs. These are supposed to be tiny, right? Internal battery was dead on arrival, so charge it. What? Great for close range. Small and comes with a carry pouch. Yeah, not enough power. Well, people need to realize this is a F7 Mini. It's mini. It even says up on the top, 5 watts, right? It's not designed to be bright. It's a mini 5 watt. 5 watt. There's not a lot of power in 5 watt. This is supposed to be a small little light, possibly good for vlogging, right? Arm's reach and things like that. So I would say don't necessarily listen to those reviews because they bought something and didn't necessarily realize what they were buying. Yes? Yeah, that unfortunately happens a lot. But we're going to take a look at this. This is a lovely box, though. The box actually makes it feel like it should be a fairly big light. But there you go. It shows all the little specs right there. 5 watt. That's it. That's all it's giving you. So, all right. Here we go. Pretty. Pop it open. Pop it open. And I'm expecting this to be small. And I'm expecting this to be similar size. We had some lights that came from, I can't even remember the company, and they were small too, but you know what? For little on cameras, they were good. Yeah, that's a nice little light. Nothing wrong with that, as long as you know what you're getting. And magnetic, let's just see. Oh yeah, see, look at that. Hey, right to my, so that's excellent. That's a nice strong little magnet. That's going to attach to stuff, no worries. Down with that. Is this magnetic over here? It means yeah, there we go. You guys can't see it. It's out of frame. That's sad. Too bad for you. What about my little tripod? You see it here on my tripod? Is that magnetic? I realize none of my gears metal. Nope. But it stuck to that, my knife, so that was good. Anyway, we get that. We get other stuff, I'm guessing. We get some other stuff in here. It's a big box for a little light. Oh, you get a little case. Oh, I love it. I do. I love it. Look at that. Happy days. Happy days are here to stay. Okay, little carabiner. I love the red. That's where the light's gonna go, yes? Just throw your light in there. Okay, what's in here? What is in here now? So, 39 bucks. You get a little tripod with a cold shoe mount on it, a little ball head. You get a little light diffuser, which is excellent. You guys saw this and didn't even check to make sure. Little diffuser. You get a good size USB-A to USB-C cable. That's excellent. You get a honeycomb filter for helping to direct the light. And that's it. And some silica gel. I'll keep the silica gel in there. That's fantastic. So let's keep these out. Well, we'll keep these little diffusers out because I think these are cool. I love that it comes with these. My guess is too, if you really wanted to, if you were like, maybe you didn't want to carry the bag, does it have a little, yeah, you can put this like a little belt through there. That's sweet. That's sweet. Sweet indeed. And again, we take the light out. 39 bucks. What are you complaining about? So this, make sure you put the whole side. Well, I guess there's a cutout on both sides, so it doesn't really matter. You just snap that over, and you got yourself a little diffuser, right? A little cutout for the tripod, cutout for your display at the top. You know, boom, diffusion. You're all diffused. Yep, that's a sweet deal. And then this has, I'm guessing, power somewhere. It must be there's a little red button here. Ready? Pop. Is mine gonna be dead too? Is that power? Yeah, I think that is power, but it could very well be dead. I should give it a 1 star, I guess. Should give it a 1 star. I'm not gonna give it a 1 star. I'm gonna charge it. That's all I'm doing. I have a little charging cable here, right? I'm just gonna plug that in right there. Click. And I wonder, some of these will allow me to get my cables all connected. Some of these will let me actually, yeah, so there you go. You get a little indicator up there, it says it's plugged in, which also means we can probably run this off of like a battery brick and things like that. And if I turn this on, we have a little, it says reset question mark. I don't want to reset. Okay. Oh, you can go through all your scenes and all kinds of stuff while it's plugged in. So, I don't necessarily want to reset anything. Is it one of these that I should be like, hey, I'm going to need to look at the manual? Oh, it's at 0%. That would be why. So you tap on it, and well, there you go. See? Now we got LEDs. You guys see that? So you see how it was at, for number one, it came out of the box, and it was at 0%. So this little dial here, you guys see the little dial? So the dial, when you push it, see how that's flashing, right? You see it flashes? So that'll tell you that you can move this one up and down, right? So I can be like, I want it at whatever, right? Green, red. This is my RGB spectrum, right? Or you can come here and do percentage. So I could just percentage it up and be like, yep, boom, right? That's kind of a greeny tone. And then we can come back here and just play with the numbers. Gotta just go through all the different, right? Different color tones and things like that. And I'm just moving up and down so you get to see all the different colors. And again, I'm only at 40% right now, so crank that up to 100. And then, well, this has got, like, it says like a gel on it. So if you tap the red button, which is the power button, you go through. Now you got this CCD. That's your ID, and you can reset it. And this is up to Kelvin. So I could, again, we'll come over here and switch that to give it some brightness. Up to 100. Come on, give me will it go to 100? It says it's only going up to 2500, and it has this 1 meter, 0.5 meters. Maybe it's just like for distance. I'm not too sure. We can make that a little more blue, of course. Get that to like a 5600. And I do have a diffuser on it, but even with the diffuser, you know, that's really bright, and you guys are seeing how bright it is. And again, if you're at arm's reach, that's plenty good. And if you were to take the diffuser off, of course, it's going to be much brighter. And don't look at it. And then, just so you guys know, if you take the honeycomb, what happens is it actually, you might be able to see that, right? Oh, maybe you won't. Maybe the top one. It helps direct the light so you don't get this spill off to the side. So the diffuser fills everything. This really helps focus the light forward, right? So you get this really nice forward shot versus it coming out, so you can really see it hitting the center of my hand, right? So, you know what? I'm down with something like this. It's, again, you have to know what you're buying, right? So this is tiny. I love the magnet. Yes, mine also came with no charge. It's not as if I'm just going to be like, all right, no charge, 1 star. Plug it in to a charger. It's not that hard. It probably doesn't take very long to charge. I love the fact that you get both of these, which is excellent. And again, know what you're buying, because if you're expecting this to do the job of a studio light, then you're buying the wrong device. They do make a Falcon Eyes F7, which is bigger, and 2 of those would probably be closer to being able to do a little bit more studio-ish stuff. But again, they're not huge. They're not big lights. You want a light, you know, if you're using studio stuff, you want a big light. Like I have a big light up here. It's about yay big with a softbox, right? About yay big with a softbox sitting up here. You know, that light costs, it's I don't know what it is. It's like, with softbox, it's like $300 or $400. 39 bucks. You can't expect this to do the same job as that, right? But out and about, I'm not carrying that. I'll carry this for sure. All right, guys, $39 Canadian. I think that's money well spent, actually. So, and it has an app, which I'm not going to show you, but the app will be able to control all the stuff that the buttons do. Yeah. All right, my friends, that's it for $40. I think it's a win. I will put links down below if you guys are interested at all in this little light, the Falcon Eyes F7 Mini, 5 watts. That's it, right? Still pretty bright. And that's all. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll have more little gizmos, gadgets, and whatnots coming up tomorrow. Later, my friends.